yeah, here it is. Must be nice. We're off to do some rad stuff tomorrow, some stuff you ain't seen on the channel and some stuff that I haven't done in a while. We're off to Hogwaller Mud Park, which is in Palaca, Florida. I think it's a little over 1,000 miles of trails, all pretty much set up just to do mud riding. They got like a big pit in the middle, and a lot of their trails, or all their trails, are non-directional, so it's kind of more slow-paced riding, and it's kind of like you just move to the next mud hole. And I can tell you, some of their mud holes are real deceiving, where it'll look like a little puddle. Next thing you know, that thing's neck deep. So, but I can't help but to feel a little spoiled lately, because this is another unit that I don't have to do nothing to. You can see it's a little dusty because I was actually dragging the go-kart track and kind of tightening up my road. Hooked up the old receiver hitch and the drag, and man, clutching and everything felt great on this thing, but literally don't have to do nothing. It's already snorkeled, radiator relocated, front and rear bumpers. It's got a winch on the front. It's sitting on 30s. Man, this thing, you know, everything I own seems to be loud and obnoxious. This thing's quiet and kind of cruises, so I'm excited. I'm gonna load up the cooler tomorrow and just have some fun. I think Andy's gonna meet me out there. And Leo from Mega Side by Side, he's got a bunch of the units out there, so we'll get to see them. Should be a rad day. Eagles landed, boys. Dang, there's Leo. He beat us here just by a couple cars. Focus, baby, focus. I know I got a dirty windshield. Focus. Oh, you see it for just a second. It won't focus in. There we go. He beat us here. Yeah, buddy. How you doing tonight?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. How much?
When are you leaving?
Tonight.
25.
What are you, twinsies today, dude?
What's up, man?
Fresh shave, too?
Still got the tags.
Surprised your old lady let you out of the house fresh shave like that, dude. Woo.
What's up, dude?
What's up, bro? Ready to have some fun?
Oh, man. Not sure if I want to get this dirty or the car dirty.
Go break this thing in? I already drug the track, drug my road, man. Got her tightened up. I bet you it's going to be kind of dry here today. Being all of Florida has been dry for a while.
Hopefully we get a little bit of rain.
Yeah, honestly, it'd be kind of nice.
It's been a while since I rode out here.
That's the kind of antics you see out here, right here. Oh boy.
I think the Honda game. Look at the guys floating over there. Look at this. Look at that.
I don't think we're gonna put the Mud Pro through that much torture today, but we're gonna give her hell. But I don't think we're going like that. They're living life though.
Up, sun's dropping low, fuel tank full and we're ready to roll. Got the crew in the convoy, headlights in a line. Every throttle twist feels like crossing the line. Trent's calling out like it knows our names. Mud on the visor, hearts full of flames. Laughing through the ruts while the world spins by. Brotherhood built where the wild runs wide. Every bump, every bruise, every wild night grin. A little crazy in the blood, yeah, we're gonna begin. We're cursing these side by sides. Through the mud, through the dust, through the wild night rides. From the track to the dunes where the stars collide. Ain't nothing like the rush with the crew by your side. Yeah, we tear up the ground, then we live it with pride. Side by side to the day we
Oh yeah, made it the first stop. We did get it a little dirty. We didn't do what you seen earlier, oh boy, sinking this thing, but
Scott needs to go through the mud hole with the artifact.
look like you're trying to antagonize me, man.
He won't. He won't. He's got liquid courage. I just got regular courage. I don't think he will. I think we should see it.
Oh, we'll hit him up. I know we can at least get it out now.
These little kids are making it through the mud hole. We're okay.
Yeah, we're good. already got people stuck, man. Got here mud whomping.
Oh, it looks like it's right now. There's water, and people are hitting that stump.
Good boy. Oh, yeah. He's done, dude. He's done. Whoopsie.
He might not have brakes.
Whoops. Oh. Go. We got 2 of them down.
You ain't gonna get your Crocs back.
We lost the croc already.
Bye, Crocky. Give it the old yoga dope. There you go. Oh, yeah.
We got warriors out here, man. We don't need no electric warriors.
Tell him that ain't no Winston Light in your mouth, dude. That's a marble.
I see badass. Now I'm a badass. Do a little bit to help
It's moving. It's moving.
If you stay on the gas constantly, just a little bit, so the wheels want to move, it's better than doing that. I don't want to burn my belt up. Yes, sir.
There's a bunch of chiefs, not enough Indians. Always. Hey, you were doing good, bro. It was moving.
Right, Brody!
Oh boy, it's still over here trying.
I don't know.
There's a can here, it's okay.
Oh yeah, give it the beans, boy. Shoot. Got a little heavy on that reverse button there, huh? Oh yeah, you got enough rope now, dude. There we go. Full send right out of the mud, boy.
Let go. Hit it one more again. Hey.
Oh boy.
Hey. Hold on. Pull up one. Oh, no. It's good. It's good. Yeah. All right.
Give it again, boy. They're moving it.
Keep snatching. Shoot on the video. Get over here by that rope.
Go, my All right, unhook it and hit it again.
This time forward.
Yeah, go for it forward, man.
My shoes are nice and clean. His aren't. His shoes are gone.
Well, he went got us so stuck that we're gonna need two buggies to pull him out. After 2 more buggies hooked up, we finally got him undone. Finally. Why y'all putting the wind winch back, man. You got to back up and hit it
Hey.
again.
Hell no.
4 buggies, and that's what it was stuck in.
That's wild. I need to find some fucking water.
Don't forget your Crocs, dude.
I think Tony just wants to go get them.
That's a pretty gnarly bump.
Made it to stop number 2. Found my boy Andy. His daughter, she's out here riding around getting it. Say hi. So you guys have heard me talk about the Turbo RS1 a few times on the channel. This is the guy that built it. And you see the mechanic in on, I think, the go-kart. Hey, I'm making a video. But I think you've seen him on the go-kart. When I did the go-kart video, he was mechanicking for everybody that day too.
Always turning the wrenches.
But we made it stop number 2, the next little water hole. Like I said, I think, yeah, they call it RPM Alley. I think the whole place is drives to me. This is the highlight of my day right here, seeing this guy living life. It's like a 4-wheeler or a chassis with a go-kart body on it. You definitely get a variety out here. There's a lot of people out here. Mud Pro doing pretty dang good. I ain't even really got it that money. I've been taking it easier on her up until this point, so. Running good though. Ride smooth. That boy over there is ready to send it. All this freaking slow riding, I gotta give me an appetite in. Give me some food in. Little hog troll. And stop by and show you this mailbox. It's supposed to be a funny thing where you take whatever's in it, you leave something new in it. But I don't have nothing. Little Power Wheels up there. Give you a little tour. We're back in the deep of it. A little dusty out here today, but for sure fun riding. Looks like it's going up to the right place, huh? I think we're at stop number 3 or 4. Do a little sippy hole in the back. They're all excited and worked up. Oh boy, got him in a not ideal situation here. About the dolphins, dude.
Oh, dude, I'm a dolphin today.
Dolphin today, dude?
Yeah.
God dang. So
Got starfish somewhere around here. How much
Strawberry, and a lime, and a purple dude, and a fucking yellow, and a fucking pink, and 15 bikini tops.
my dude with the yellow's rocking him,
family
man.
to cover your nits.
My dude with the yellow might be a B cup, dude. Whoa, easy. This is going on YouTube, man. We can't put that. I said he's got a solid B cup.
God knows where.
Oh yeah. Little P500. Well, made it back to the truck right now. I can tell you, it is safe to say it is dusty out here, that's for sure. It's kind of hard to find real mud holes. I hit the one mud hole and like, these guys are playing in the water, but I ain't trying to submerge this thing. First time taking it out. I want to beat on it and give it hell, but turn it into a submarine really ain't my thing. And I know it's snorkel and the radiator's up in the front, but Still just not my thing, just to go ruin a motor by sinking it. Like I said, don't get on me too bad for not beating on this thing. We're gonna give it some hell next time. I'll give you a tour of Hogwaller. Hopefully you enjoyed the place. And don't get the wrong impression of this place. It is normally, the trails are normally just full of mud. So it's kind of like a navigation thing and negotiating through like each of the obstacles, where today I was just kind of just getting to each point and staying away from the dust. But I don't know, hold the line, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Until next time, come on.
The dust up, sun's dropping low. Fuel tank full and we're ready to roll. Got the crew in the convoy, headlights in a line. Every throttle twist feels like crossing the line. Trent's calling out like it knows our names. Mud on the visor, hearts full of flames, laughing through the